to show you guys, this is the new Magic Trackpad 3. And before I forget, it does come with this. It's like a braided lightning, USB-C to lightning cable. It doesn't have the little charging brick, but that's okay. I have so many of those laying around. I personally have mine in the Magic Bridge so that I can keep this and this together, which makes my workflow so much better. Just had them laid in there so I could take it out real quick. Do I love this Magic Trackpad? I sure do. This is the MacBook M1, and I just wanted to show you how big this trackpad is by comparison. Do you guys see that? Look at that. It's not twice as big, but it's pretty close. And look how much real estate you pick up. So if you're someone like myself who, I mean, this hand is over here flying around. I have every, hotkey and every single command set up on my MacBook that a person can set up. Makes my workflow just fly along at rocket speed. And I love that the top of this is glass, so it makes a really nice, smooth experience. This is what it looks like. It is slanted, like it does slant down on the sides like that. And this is the on-off switch. You can recharge it, which I love that. There are no batteries or anything like that. It does have these little silicone strips back here so that it's not moving around, which is really nice. For me, that's not really an issue because I keep mine in the Magic Bridge like I was talking about, which you just kind of, snap it in here. I'm doing a review on this, so I don't want to snap it back in here yet. I couldn't love this thing more. I mean, it's so big, it's so smooth, it picks up everything. Any commands that I had set up on my MacBook automatically are mirrored to here. So whatever hotkeys and everything else I had set up over there, gesture-wise, automatically goes over here. This thing connects immediately, excellent battery life. You can toggle back and forth. So if I'm working on my Magic Keyboard like this, right? If let's say that this is in here and I'm working on this and I move this out of the way because I need to put something here to write, I can reach up and type directly onto my MacBook. Basically have them both if I need them. There's no hiccup. It's not having trouble going back and forth. I really do enjoy that feature. About 6.3 inches wide and 4.5 inches tall. You can see it's about 1/4 inch thick at the very tip and it's about 1/2 pound in weight. It does have multi-force. It is clickable, so you can go like that and feel a physical click. This setup and this and my MacBook, I just could not be happier. Could not more highly recommend it. I feel like I get twice as much work done when I'm working on this. Love it. I love it. I hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.